Robot Aspiradora Tuya, 5,000 pascals. Quiet, brutal suction, zero effort, proof. Remember that moment you walked barefoot across the kitchen and felt yesterday's spilled juice stick to your foot? Yeah, me too. Last week I caught my dog just staring at a fur tumbleweed like it owed him money. If your floors are quietly judging you right now, drop guilty in the comments. You're not lazy, you're just tired of losing the battle. Every morning it's the same silent scream. Crumbs under the table, paw prints by the door, that one sticky spot that never goes away. You're one spilled coffee away from snapping. Imagine coming home and the floor actually feels cool and clean under your feet. No drama, no effort, no guilt. Keep watching. Relief is ridiculously close. Meet the Robot Aspiradora Tuya floor cleaning robot. 5,000 pascals of raw suction, dual spinning rotary mop pads that actually scrub instead of pretending, Lidar that maps your home perfectly in the dark, and a self-emptying station that hoards 60 days of dog hair and crumbs so you don't have to. Last month, a busy mom I know almost missed pickup because she was on her knees scrubbing dried oatmeal, until this robot took over. She sent me a voice note laughing. It handled the high chair zone in 8 minutes while I drank coffee. I actually cried. The rotary pads press down and spin at 180 revolutions per minute. Coffee rings, muddy prints, sticky juice, gone in one pass. You can literally smell the clean when you walk in. Bonus tip coming in paragraph 5 that makes the mopping even more aggressive. Stay with me. This thing doesn't play gentle. It detects carpet, cranks suction automatically, then lifts the mop so your rugs stay dry. A tech reviewer spilled dried soy sauce on tile to test it. Single pass, zero trace left. One pet owner told me, "I haven't touched the dustbin in 10 weeks and my allergies finally shut up." Another analyst said this exact Tuya model outperforms $1,200 flagships on deep clean tests because the rotary scrubbing is mechanical, not cosmetic. I've watched it map my weird open-plan apartment perfectly on the first run. No missed corners, no random bonks into chairs. Yes, it's not a big-name brand good. That's why it has real power instead of a celebrity price tag. Thousands of us are already living with spotless floors and zero effort. See why the Facebook groups won't shut up about it? Tell me in the comments. Pet hair, kids, or just pure laziness? Which one is your villain? Join the parents, pet owners, and barefoot rebels who finally ditched the mop and stopped apologizing for their floors. This robot Aspiradora Tuya with 5,000 pascal suction, rotary scrubbing, and self-emptying base is the quiet revolution happening in homes right now. If you're ready to walk into your house and actually feel proud instead of defeated, just click the link in the description. It's waiting to take over your dirt so you don't have to. Come home to clean floors tonight. Your feet deserve it.